Welcome to this channel. This is Effa Joseph, your anchor person on the free genuine airdrops. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make money in Crypto Magnet. Yes, you heard me well. If you have been mining Crypto Magnet or you intend to join Crypto Magnet, you need to listen to this video to be able to understand how you will make a lot of money from the airdrop. All right. If you are not subscribed to this channel, quickly hit the subscribe button so that whenever new videos are published, you'll be notified. Okay, thank you. Having done that, let's move ahead with our video for tonight. Now, if you have joined Crypto Magnet and you want to make money from the system, there are a few things I want to quickly show you. First is what you must do on the airdrop page. All right, let me start by showing you the three important areas that you need to pay attention to that will help you to increase your chances of generating more tokens at the end. And when the airdrop is done, you will have more coins. The first one is to look at this area, which is the profit per hour. The profit per hour, you can see that my own is 54,694. But when you join crypto newly, you will have zero there. But as you begin to move and you begin to do one or two things, you see that your profit per hour will increase. But quickly, how do you increase your profit per hour? So you are going to look at this area that is tagged meet. So you click and open there. All right, you can see there are some cards here, and each of the cards has a particular value attached to it. Okay, so if you look at the 1 inch, you have 998 profit per hour, and then you're going to spend about 1,958,928 coins to get that. But this is already in level 19. It's already level 19. You can see it here. But while it is in level 1 or level 0, the prices are relatively smaller and lower. But as you increase the level, the cost of acquiring the points get higher. All right. So here you have the magnet and also you have the team here. So you can start by accumulating coins in this area, or you can open the team area and begin to accumulate cards from here also. So for each card you buy, your team income increases. And along the line, as it increases, the coin that you will be mining every 3 hours will also keep increasing. So when Magnet is going to distribute their airdrops, they will pay attention to your PPH, which is your profit per hour, your team income, and the level you have attained. Okay, now that we have understood what the team income, so what the PPH is going to do for you, let's look at the team income. You can see this place. I have already 11,985,000 points there. The more people join my team, the more team income I will accumulate. Okay, now if you go to the friends area and scroll, you will see something here. Okay, you will see that when somebody is in silver level, you that introduce the person will get 20,000 coin. But if the person is a premium user, you get 30,000 coin. In gold, you get 40,000. If it's a premium user, you get 60,000 till you get to epic. If the person introduces an epic on epic level, you will get 1 million coins free. And if the person is a premium user, is on epic, you get 2 million coins. So that is how you will be increasing your team income. Plus, what you are going to be getting for the new persons that just entered and the ones that are moving from level to level. So the more your people advance in level, the more you also will be getting to improve your team income. So pay attention to that. Make sure that you are driving people to join you on your magnet team. The last one is the levels. The levels. We are going to scroll through and you will see what it means. You can see here now, I'm in legendary level, and you can see here 8 over 9. What this simply means is that there are 9 levels as far as magnet is concerned. I'm already on level 8. I have just one level to complete it, and that is the epic. So let's quickly open those levels and you will see them. If I scroll backwards, you will see that we are starting from the bronze level, which is 0. The next one is silver level. When you get 5,000 coins, you get to silver. When you get 25,000 coins, you go to gold. When you get 100,000 coins, you are in sapphire. When you get 1 million coins, you are in emerald. When you get 2 million coins, you are in ruby. When you get 10 million coins, you are in brilliant. And when you get 50 million coins, you are in legendary. And finally, 200 million coins, you are in epic. So you need to get from level 1 to level 9. You do it at your pace, but make sure you pay more attention and put in more effort so that before Magnet is eventually the full ecosystem is launched and listed, you would have reached a level that is comfortable. You already am in level 8. So even if I don't get to level 9 before it is launched, I don't think I'm doing badly. To score 8 over 9 in an exam is not a bad one. So you make effort to be sure that you get to a very comfortable level before Magnet is launched. So those are the things for magnet on the ecosystem here. I mean, on this clicker boat, what you would do to increase your chances of earning more money. But on the ecosystem, there are other things you need to do on the ecosystem, and that is to also boost your income. Number one is by using magnet products. Remember that we said that magnet is not only about the clicker bot. The clicker bot is just one part of magnet. Magnet have up to 20 digital products that will come along with it. So immediately the full ecosystem is launched, those other products will come into play. But for now, you are only using the clicker bot because the founders of magnet want to give you this coin for free. Okay. Now, how do you make money when the full ecosystem is launched? Number one is by using the magnet products yourself. If you decide to subscribe to the full ecosystem and you subscribe to maybe package level 1 to 3 or whatever, up to 6, depending on what your capacity can take. All right. If you are using the products such as the Crypto Do that will enable you to create the app, products and so on, you will be able to make money. Then you also have the crypto arbitrage that will enable you to get coins that will help you to get cryptocurrencies from different um, exchanges at the lowest price and also to be able to sell it at the highest price. So with the bot in the ecosystem, the bot will do the research for you, tell you where you can buy it at the cheapest price, and then how you can sell at the highest price. With that, you can also be making money from that crypto arbitrage. Then with the lottery builder, also you can build lotteries and make money from the commission, the sale of tickets, etc., etc. Number two way to make money also from the ecosystem is when the people in your structure use magnet products. Okay, you have introduced people in the clicker boat, or when the full system is launched, you now start introducing people to the Web3, and then when they subscribe to this ecosystem and begin to use the product, when they are earning money the way you two are earning in number one, they will be giving you commission from the fact that you are the one who introduced those people and they are subscribed to the products. Number three way to earn money is through the NFT passive income. When you build your structure, you accumulate pulse token, which you can use in upgrading your NFT status and any lots of passive income from a global pool of magnet ecosystem earnings. A particular percentage, about 1% or so, of the money that will be used in the system for everyone will be set aside in a global pool. So as you improve on your NFT status, you would have been able to um, accumulate POS token, and with this POS token, you stand a chance to earn some percentages from that global pool. So that is another way to earn money from the ecosystem. And number four is to earn money from promoting the three marketing programs. Of course, there are marketing programs like if you have been listening to Magnet or you have watched other videos related to this, there are marketing structures under the ecosystem. So when you eventually subscribe, you can join those marketing system and then also earn money from the people who you are going to introduce. You get you will get some leadership bonus. You get other kind of bonuses that are associated with the people who you have brought in. You can earn as much as 40% from every person that you introduce. So that is a very great way to earn money compared to other exchanges or products where you bring in people through affiliate marketing and they give you just small percentage. Sometimes they even tell you they're giving you percentage of the trading fee, which is not even up to $0.5 because most of the trading fees are too small. But in this case, if somebody you brought in comes in with $100 and you are getting, for instance, 40% of that, you already have $40. So you need to pay attention to these ones and encourage those people you're going to bring in to try as much as possible to subscribe to the ecosystem, the main ecosystem, so that you will have opportunity to earn more, and the people who you're also bringing in will earn more. So that is it for now. If you have not subscribed to this channel, once again, try as much as possible to subscribe. And for you to join Magnet, please go to the the description of this video. You will see the link in the description area of this video and click on it to join Magnet. Thank you for listening to this video. See you again in our next video. Enjoy your day.